is, guys? Today is Christmas. Merry Christmas from my family to yours. Tamara's here, everyone. Bonnet gang, ayy. We're waiting. Let me show you guys our Christmas tree. This is what it's looking like. Blessed. Got gifts on the other side.
She's looking at in between what she likes. What is that?
JoJo Sierra.
What is what? JoJo Sierra.
So you see that?
Yeah, and she's famous.
If
she got me one of her bubbles, I'll be able to send. Okay. Oh, so pretty!
What's your own tree?
That's cool?
It's a pig.
Oh, she got a Bath and Body Works?
Yeah, I think the one in Body Works is yours.
Oh.
And stuff. We're gonna record like what we got for Christmas, so you guys can see everything in detail. My dad recorded like a little bit of our gifts. My brother has a gift in the car.
Is your car locked?
This guy thinks he's finna get a car when he can't even drive.
Bro, hand me the keys.
It's in the trunk.
Where's your keys? Where's your keys?
It's in the trunk.
He went outside without slippers.
I gotta put my slides on. I don't know what you're talking about.
Chris, yeah, there's nowhere for you to go.
That's tough. You feel me?
He swear he hoops, so my mom got
I'm
him.
a hooper. What do you mean I swear? I'm a hooper.
Okay,
Simple.
he's a hooper, so he got a
I'm a hooper.
He got a little
She bought me the whole thing though.
It's like he has one, but she got him
there.
a newer one. It's like, you know, one of those.
Yeah.
It's heavy though.
That's tough. You feel me? It's heavy.
Yeah, that's why they didn't bring it inside. Okay, so hey guys, we're starting our Christmas cooking. This is our ham. We usually do ham for Christmas. It's at 15 minutes per pound, and it's 11 pounds, so that's 165 minutes. So we'll show you guys once that's done. We're also going to be making, Summer has some of the ingredients for our traditional rice bread. We need salt, vanilla, ground ginger. Do we need baking soda?
Yes.
Or baking powder?
Baking soda.
Baking soda, ground nutmeg, and you need ripe bananas. These aren't that ripe, but they will do. And some cream of rice. And then you need your measuring cups, bowls, and milk and eggs, and we'll show you guys that periodically. So yeah.
Just mash up the bananas. If you don't have one of these, the blender, you can just mash it up.
Yeah.
That's what we used to do. You should just mash
You
it.
can just hand mash it.
It'll turn out like this consistency. I
Right
think
now.
you should make it too watery though.
Yeah.
But yeah. After that, then we'll put in the wet ingredients, the vanilla, the milk. So for the rice bread, you'll need, we're only doing like a small batch of it, so it'll be 1 cup of cream of rice, and you can find it at King Soopers. We tried to get it at Walmart, but every time we go there we can't find it, so get it from King Soopers. Let me just tell you all of the ingredients and we'll show you guys. And you'll need
I told them the ingredients. How do you say how much?
yeah, like 3 to 5 teaspoons of sugar.
Yeah.
Depending on how you like it. We like sweet, so we add a little more sugar. But if your bananas are more ripe, then to each his own.
1 cup of this.
Then you need 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
This is a half, so we're gonna do 2.
Yeah. and then a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So that's for your dry ingredients. You need 1 egg. Go ahead and mash that up. Okay. And you need 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil.
A little extra.
It's okay. Nothing wrong with milk. Now keep your bones strong. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Then you need a tablespoon of vanilla.
Vanilla extract.
Yeah, vanilla extract. This is a half, so we have to put 2. And then you want to mix that all together. And then you add your smashed bananas.
Now the smashed bananas are right here.
And after that, you add the
And then here's our dry ingredients.
yeah.
So we have 3 bowls. We're gonna mix them all together.
We're putting this.
That'll be some. I just looking at it. I ain't wondering. Mommy, you taking the medicine in the morning?
Mix it
Taking the medicine?
together. There might be other fruit ones. Make sure you get those. You
Oh
don't, have,
yeah, ones you missed.
you don't want to have a lump in your.
See that,
bread.
y'all? It's a no.
I have to mash that separately.
I gotta take my pressure.
Oh, there's a couple.
You guys see, even if you
I gotta take my pressure.
cheat your way out, we're not cheating our way out. But it still need to be mashed. So take those to the side, mash them up.
I'll go ahead and do that right now. Tamara's spraying up our pan.
Spray it up
Think
nicely.
it's good, girl?
I think it's good.
She don't want no sticking.
Then you want to put it in your pan.
Make sure you get everything in there. You don't want nothing to leap over.
So guys, right now, we're gonna make the ham into meatballs.
Stick on. This is a high necessity. This is a necessity in your kitchen. But yeah, we already seasoned the ground beef, so you just put it in a bowl, basically.
Yeah.
This is a pretty good size right here because they shrink, but we're not gonna. It's not gonna be
Super big.
yeah. And you just place it on your baking pan and you repeat those steps. And for the season, because it's not just gonna be plain meatballs, it's gonna be we're gonna fix a sauce for it. So you don't want to make the make sure not to make when you season it, don't make it too salty because you're gonna have a sauce on it.
Okay guys, so we had change of plans. As you can see, I started peeling some, but like these aren't really meant for potato salad, so we're just gonna like put it in a baking sheet with butter and garlic and all those good seasonings. So yeah,
Okay.
I think and Tamara's over there,
Yeah.
but they do shrink. I think she said she want to
I'll
make them
them
smaller.
so we have some leftovers.
So Tamara's doing that. We still got some in here.
Okay guys, here's the rice bread. You can let it sit in there to get a little darker if you want, or you just take it out, but we have stuff that we have to bake. We need in the oven. So as you see here, this is rice bread. Banana bread, it's like has more lumps in it because you know it's made of flour. But yeah. We're gonna make the sauce for the meatballs.
Yeah, the meatballs are
They're
done.
done. So we're just waiting for them to cool.
Yeah.
And then we'll put them in another pan and with the sauce and then put them back in the oven. And then
You want to start the sauce?
yeah.
We need barbecue sauce
We
and
need barbecue
jelly.
sauce and yeah.
What do we need the jelly?
Jam. This is the savory part to it, and then the sweet part is just the jam. It's pretty simple, but it's good. Really good.
Have you tried it before?
Yeah, we made it last year. Remember, you kept eating the meatballs. You ate all the meatballs.
Oh, yeah. We're going to need a lot more sauce than that.
No, that's enough. That's a lot.
Guys, we just got done stirring all of the sauce. So this is how it looks.
Yeah, Chris did a very good job stirring it. Nice consistency. So now, just want to pour it on the thing. If you make too much, don't force it and pour all of it on it. Just mix it up nicely. And you're going to place it back in the oven.
Yeah. And we still have a little bit more sauce.
Yeah, we still have a little bit more.
It smells really good.
Okay.
And then, yeah.
You can just sprinkle a little bit more on there.
Okay guys, so I cut up the potatoes and I heated up some butter and I put the butter on top of it. Now I'm going to add some garlic seasoning, garlic salt. You don't want to be, you know,
Don't want to be too much.
no, you don't want to put too little. You know, you gotta taste it.
You don't want to be generous.
You do want to be generous, but not too generous. I think that's good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You pop it in the oven for like 25 minutes and we'll do its thing.
Okay, now for the macaroni and cheese, we added milk, egg, butter, and then we added our cheese mix, and then we also added bacon bites. And this is how it looks. Okay.
Okay guys, so we have sprayed our baking pan. We have our macaroni here. We're just gonna do layers. Just nice and moist.
Make
Look
sure
at that, y'all.
add a little more milk or more butter if you need to, if it's a little dry, because you don't want.
And you want to be generous with the cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, girl. You got a little bit of sharp cheddar too, because you want you gotta taste
See that
it.
color?
This is what gives it its color. Okay.
So this is just we're gonna repeat those steps, and you'll be good.
Yeah. This is how it looks, guys. Nice and cheesy. We're gonna put it in the oven, have it baked, and we'll show you guys what it's looking like after. Okay, guys, so we just got done. This is our ham, nice and glazed. Our meatballs, baked mac and cheese, some wings, some more wings, some rice. This delicious stew, some bread rolls. We got some donuts again. Y'all saw this in our Thanksgiving vlog. The rice bread, they already done tried it. They said it was bomb. And then our potatoes just got done. Got our apple cider. So y'all, this is everything.
African bag, baby, don't change your style, girl. I love you the way you are, feeling your dancing.